Everyone, this is Kibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad gawa natin ang reaction video, ang Barda compilation. So I won't take any longer, let's start this reaction video. Ito yung mga birthday celebration niya na hindi ko naman alam. Ay! Ang dami pala talagang mga videos na hindi natin nakita. Tinago lang talaga nila. Charis! Ngayon lang natin to nakita. Kitang-kita mo, no? Very genuine, no? Ay! Si Sir Janra. Ay! Ayan! Si Tetsuki. Sige lang, Tetsuki. Asarin mo lang sila. I really commend your work, Tetsuki. Idaan natin yan sa background music. Ganun. Love you. And that always need you. And if you ever change your mind, I still... Oh, I know this song eh. Ano ba? Kailan na ba? Charis. Love you. Ganun ba talaga dapat? Okay, ano na naman to? Hawak ang beat. Birthday celebration niya. Anyways. Ay! Barbie is love with a big heart. Advance happy birthday. Advance happy birthday, Barbie. We will celebrate Barbie's birthday tomorrow. Mag-i-eat out kami ng friends ko. Siyempre kasama na din doon yung vlog namin.
This is Grammarly's
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, baby. Ay, birthday. Magkasunod pala sila ng birthday ng kanyang pamangkin. No? Ngayon ko lang nalaman, magkasunod pala sila ng birthday. Ay, on this day. This was 2 years ago. Say daylight. Ay, bakit naman may Jack Roberto? Bakit naman may Jack Roberto dyan? Diba? Dapat palang Jack.
Barbie Fortisa
Ay, ito.
celebrated her
Fortisa.
birthday early with
Tigas
children
nun, ah.
and teens at Cribs Foundation
Parang ang taga ang tigas naman
interacting
nun.
with beneficiaries and joint activities during the visit. Sparkle GMA Artist Center said Barbie chose to celebrate by sharing joy with
Preno-preno,
others.
no?
Barbie will turn 29
Walang
on
preno-preno,
July
mami.
31st.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you.
Ay, during this time, birthday din ni Barbie. Ay, hindi ko ito napanood. Hindi ko ito napanood. Ganda ni Barbie. During this time, birthday niya.
Maraming
Ay, ano to?
nag-abala at nagbigay ng pagmamahal.
Pagmamahal.
Para maging posible ang araw na ito. Thank you so much.
Di ba? Simple-simple niya lang talaga.
Leia Lynn Mariano. Thank you.
Napaka-simple niya talaga.
na puno ng kulitan, kantahan at sayawan.
Ay, hello, Daspia.
Barbie Forteza recently celebrated
Okay.
her 28th birthday with grace and beauty. She marked her special day sharing short yet heartfelt reflection and captivating photos from her recent photo shoot on her Instagram page. The actress published the striking photos
Ganda
captured
niya.
by Nicole Cosm at the Dreamy Midnight Dream Studio. The Kapuso Primetime Princess also wrote
Ito yung mga era
caption
na yung
embracing her new
cutie-cutie
age
talaga
with
siya.
poise and confidence.
Sa true lang. Happy birthday. Ito yung mga ginawang mag-ano tayo, tingnan natin yung mga ginawang edits ng mga Barda defenders and Barbie lovers.
Ready na tayong makita ang nag-iisang Kapuso Primetime Princess, Noreen Alfonso of Beauty Empire and Luna Caceres of P77. Let us all welcome Miss Barbie Forteza! Ayan guys, magiyawa naman tayo! Isang masikapang palakpakan ng hiyawan kay Ma'am Barbie Forteza! Ayan, thank you so much, Ma'am Barbie Forteza.
Ay, si Marcia maganda dito bumaba eh. Dito ba yung nag-greet si Ginoo, si Shubi?
Thank you so much for being
Ito yung nag-greet si Ginoo dito, no?
Thank you so much kasi you're so radiant, you're so beautiful, you're so white, you're so beautiful at you're so kind. Thank you so much. Dahil sa iyo, maraming mabuting artista.
You're
Dahil
so
sa'yo,
white, ganon.
nare-respeto
You're so
pa yung
white.
mga artista. Kaya naman, sana ate mo, ang dami pang ikaw blessings na matanggap. Sobrang dami pa kasi deserve mo yan. Napagaling mong artista. Napagaling mong tao.
Bakla talaga si Barbie.
Napakagaling mong anak. You've been an inspiration. Thank you so much, ate, for being you. Thank you for existing. More birthdays to come. And I love you, Ate Bars. See you soon. Mwah.
Child. Okay.
Barbie
Ay.
Forteza spotted
Ano na
masayang
naman
dumalo
to?
sa birthday celebration
Ah,
ng
okay,
umamang
napanood na natin to. Ay, wait. Atake. Okay.
Napuno ng kulitan, kantahan at sayawan ang afternoon bonding ni Barbie Forteza at kanyang fans sa isang shelter para sa mga abandoned and abused children and teens sa Antipolo.
Anyway, so this is our for today's video. This is Kibo Vlogs. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!